Hi, this is 8482 Media, and today I'm gonna show you how to embed a video in your WordPress post. So first, we edit an existing post. So go to your posts and then select a post here, then click edit, and then we will add a media block. So we do that by clicking here the plus button and then browse all. Under the media block, make sure you select video. And then here we are given three options. We may upload a video and then select a video from our media library and then insert from URL. So this is the option that we're going to do. Then go to the link of the video you want to embed. For example, this one. So we will copy this link and then paste it here. Insert from URL. Let's paste the URL here and then click apply. Then we are also given an option here to add a caption for the video. And then once done, we click on update. And then let's view our post by clicking in preview and then desktop, then click preview in new tab. And that's it. You have successfully embedded a video in your WordPress post. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to embed a video in your WordPress post. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.